Hi everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you how to revert YouTube auto translation after update. So actually this process is quite complex because we can't do so straight from the YouTube settings, neither on the iPhone nor on the Android phones and web browsers. At first, we need to open the new tab here and search for the extensions and the translate extension. Scroll down to the YouTube No Translation here from the Chrome Web Store. Click Add to Chrome, add an extension. I'd recommend this one, this YouTube No Translation, because here, as you can see, they have titles, audio tracks and descriptions, every single thing. Enabled is free. This fourth one is not that necessary because we have subtitles always disabled by default, but if you want to enable them, enable the subtitles too. Click reload all active YouTube websites, and as you can see now everything should be fixed. And that's it. If you have some questions, you can ask them in the comments below. Goodbye.